Hey guys, did you call? Okay. Hello, my friend. I'll probably have her in neutral. I'll probably have them in neutral. I gotta get all my stuff hooked up. Okay. You can just relax for now. I'll probably have you in neutral.
Don't touch nothing.
Okay. So I'm gonna have you in neutral. I'm gonna pull you backwards, and I'm gonna pull the back of the car this way, so that you're gonna go back like this. Okay. So when we're done, you'll be able to drive out. Okay. Man, what language is that?
That's Creole.
Creole?
French Creole.
That's cool. All right, here we go. Okay. Yeah, the problem is in neutral, the safety brake stays on, so these won't turn.
Yeah, I got it.
So if I have her in reverse, I know that she'll come back. Here we go. Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Back it up, you got it, you got it.
Now probably have you drive that car too.
Yeah. So we try to get it up?
Yeah, park, let me get it unhooked.
Okay.
And then we're gonna push it and see if we can get it out. Just wait. Okay, so let's get a couple of guys to push. And we'll just go all the way up 50 feet or so we know you're not going to get stuck again. All right? Let me know when you're ready. Ready?
You ready?
Put it in drive. And go.
Almighty Push.
Yeah, it just ended up digging it a little bit. I gotta get down here and find out what I'm gonna hook up onto. Go ahead and start it up.
Jim, this on traction though. I don't know.
Okay, let's make sure the safety brake is on. So I want you in reverse. But this time we have to go that way. Yeah, because I don't want to get in those big ruts. And then when we get out there, straightened out, we'll be able to reverse out from there, okay? Just follow me. All right.
How do you pay them? You already paid?
Zell, huh?
You might be good.
Well, I think we're good, but
I just gotta stay closer to the.
let me hang on a second. Let me see if you can. We're under my thing. See if you can pull forward just a little bit.
Just go a little bit forward.
A little bit forward. A little more, a little more, a little more. Stop, stop. All right, I'm gonna take this off, then we're gonna push him. All right, hang on, let me take the gear off and we'll push you up. Yep. He's on the phone. I want him to help push. You think you're okay?
That's how you heard. Give it to my sister.
Okay. Okay. Help push, guys. Ready? Yeah, let's go. Strong man. We figured he had it, but you helped. Thanks, man. Okay, I'll come up. That's good enough. That's good. You can stop. You can stop. Stop. You're a smart man. He waited. He went back far enough to get a good angle, is what he's saying, and that's a smart man.
That's a hard-headed man.
Hard-headed man, yes, we are. But most men are hard-headed, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
9% of you.
99, yeah, I fit in that 99.
I'm the 1% then.
Are you? Congratulations.
They just feel like they don't have to listen to females, that's all.
Nah, I'm the 1%.
You're welcome. Hey guys, I have an internet presence, YouTube and stuff, and I record right here on my phone.
Oh, shit.
And on the back of the truck. Is it okay if I post pulling you guys out? I got it here, and I got it here. So did we do okay getting you out?
Yeah, you did good.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
You're 4.9.
But put filter a little bit.
You need filter. You don't need. You're beautiful. No, don't they know?
How do I do it?